not for myself, so that we can finish within the allotted time for your period. Sige. So, my first comment is on the title. No? I'm curious as to what do you wish to delineate um, the dependency of first-year maritime students on artificial intelligence tools for academic tasks. Like, when we say delineating, Manggod, it's like setting a line, um, determining which, um, creating a clear boundary between one entity and the other. And it's important nga masabtan nato no nga magamit man tayo yung delineating. And sa may purpose, sa din yung gusto mong i-delineate or i-differentiate. Excuse me, do not make me wait. Answer my question.
I am Decadet Silvano, ma'am, sir, and I would like to answer your questions. We would like to delineate the how much the first year maritime students rely on AI tools, sir, and what type of AI tools they commonly use, and how frequently, and in what ways they use AI.
So how commonly and in what ways? Second with that, um, here, okay, here. So in your SOP, you wanted to delineate the level no, of dependency of maritime students on artificial intelligence tools for academic tasks ng mga first year rules. At sa definition ninyo sa delineate ng in your definition of terms mga wala ninyo i-define and so how is it operationally used ang kaning word delineate.
Excuse me, sir. I'm Decadet Melissa. I would like to answer your question. So, in our SOP, delineate means to describe or portray. Excuse me, sir. Your signal might be having some problems.
Excuse me. Before we proceed, refrain from asking permission. Babag. Go ahead. Please give your answer to my question. Kindly confirm if I am audible on your end.
Yes, sir. Now you're audible, sir.
Yes, and I'm waiting for your answer, Montecillo.
Okay, sir. So in our SOP, delineating means to describe or to portray from a subject to another.
Anyway. Go to your tools. Okay, looking at Here as so okay, so far okay naman ko. I'd like to know if Ma'am Rizon and Ma'am Joanna, if may concerns sa SOP before I proceed no giving comments on other parts para makonsist para dayon-dayon ka later mamadali ka magbalik-balik. Okay ra mo sa SOP? Ma'am
Yes, I'm
Rizon
good with
and Ma'am
that. Okay, yes, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, so far sa SOP ninyo, kahantang ko, para naman silang actually, ito sa inyong rational. Okay, so in your rational, dili na ko mo rational, like, what, something that is your unwritten. What's it really klaro when it comes to the utilization of artificial intelligence among first year?
In our rational, sir, we tend to find the gaps between the students' utilization because other students tend to more to be inclined with the technology of AI, while other students tend to be more of a traditional like ones, like they just use their mind. So we tend to find the gap of those two, in which they incline to utilize, or afterwards they're inclined to depend on such AI tools, sir.
Again, sorry, di ka pa klaro na ko. So, sa lagi dili klaro? Ano inyo mga i-delineate? Which part in your rational have you established that something is not yet clear here? That is why there is a need to delineate the dependency of first-year maritime students on artificial intelligence. You deleted something. Again, I have 2 minutes. If you do not answer my question, mausik akong time.
uh, in the rational, sir, we have a we find the credible source, which is that report in 24 Horas, because it stated that students nowadays will tend to use the AI instead of using their natural knowledge that they learn from the past, like high school or senior high, to apply it in college, because most students use most students are college students who use, because it is for time constraint and for the efficiency of their schoolwork. So because they're also adjusting to the college life.
Okay, sugar. Um, anyway, since I still have, although I still have almost 2 minutes, I will just give my comments on your rational and other parts of your paper. And at this point, we will be hearing the comments of Ma'am Rizwan. And the floor is yours, Ma'am Rizwan.
Okay, thank you, Sir Vilya. Good afternoon, researchers. As for the general formatting no, of your paper, um, ensure that the page numbers no, are truly that or correct sa inyong table of contents, because I've checked that some of them not the one no, sa inyong table of content. And then also there are paragraphs wherein sentences are not indented, and some font size some words are kuan kanang lahi ang font size ato ang standard format. So please kuan kanang edit no and revise according to the standard format of our university. Okay, so the other comments na kita rin na ninyo sa inyong Google Doc. Now for the methods, you are not going what is your research design? Hello, what is your research design, researchers? audible? Research design.
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
Okay, what is your research design?
So, good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Decadet Silvano, and I would like to answer your question, ma'am. Our research design is quantitative descriptive research design, ma'am.
Okay, so please indicate that in your IPO. Okay, so
Yes,
I
ma'am.
don't see that here. And then, as for your research environment, okay, may I ask why only first year students, BSMP and BS Smart? Why are they your only respondents for this? Why not all the maritime students? Are they the only ones using AI for their academic tasks? Ang second and third year, wala ra.
Jump. Ma'am, Decadent Pizzerel, and I would like to answer your question, ma'am. So, we only study the first year students because they are still developing their study habits, and it makes them the best year to assess early dependency on AI.
Okay, so that must also be kuan kana evident in your RL or RS. Okay, so please indicate that there. Now for the exclusion criteria, um, also specify no. What do you mean by kuan? Whose learning habits and dependency on AI will still be at the formative stage of their academic development. I think you have to delete this one or to kuan revise this one. No, simply state lang dyan na you're not going to kuan to you're not going to include those who are not using AI. Okay? Sige. So I hope that is also placed in your kuan in your research instrument, no? If they have